Mic check. What is good, guys? Welcome to day 323 of backtesting. Wow, let's get going. We're going to be backtesting in version model as usual. So without delay, let's just get going so that most of the video is backtesting, as most of the videos actually. Let's get going. Alright, let's see. Let me first remove these drawings. Go start daily. Now checking the daily, you can see that price is displacing higher. So it would be good if price could run these highs. These highs here are good. Now 4 hour, very beautiful displacement higher. Here we also have an unfilled gap. So let's see if we can try longs. One good thing is if you can retrace into this gap that displays higher, those will be my conditions. No way. Okay, that's good. And there goes the inversion, couple of SMTs. Very good SMT. I'd like to see if you can displace like to this unfilled gap. And get stopped out very quickly. That's crazy. So how are we gonna trade this, man? How? Okay, so now we have an hourly gap. Another good condition that you can wait for. And price that's heading higher, bro. So let's see if we can have. Oh, bro, this is not a good 5-minute closure, to be honest. I think we can short it towards these low here because we are in a small 1 hour gap on the left. Bro, this low is gonna get missed 100 times now. Wow, okay. New day, let's not crash out and receive and kill everything on one day. Now if we check the 4 hour, we're in a very beautiful gap here. So let's see if we can go higher. Okay, so what are we gonna do on this day now? We are in a 4 hour gap, so that obviously means that we could potentially get some good trades, probably. But if not, that's also good, because who cares? So there's a 4 hour here. 1 hour could, if 1 hour could close inside here, then you could take longs. But if it doesn't, then would maybe look out for like a 15-minute. Look right at open where we run the high, then we stop dropping. Look at this run here. Okay, 1 hour is about to close, and we've just inversed. Wait, this London high will be a good draw. I like to move to break even once we run this high. Alright, that's good. Oh, bro, why do you have to do this every time? Bro, oh, come on. Man, this is why I hate trading. What's this? Look at this. Bro, how? Yeah, looks like price is going to shit the bed now. I don't know where to though. Okay, gonna try longs once more, but we have this. Let's try again, but I'll move to break even like very quickly if we can manage this place to do that high. Break even. Bro. New day. But we're getting stopped out back to back. Okay, we have these highs, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, 15 bullish. Like to see here. Fix of trying to trade pre-market. End up bursting 2 minute here. We can try longs again. Probably have my stop here. Then see if you can have a 1-to-1 RR or see if price can displace all the way to those previous day highs. Are you serious, bro? Are you serious? Okay, let's see. Let's see how it looks like on the, when we. Let me check the stats because as of now it's looking like shit, bro. Yeah. Let's see the session results. Let's see. We've had 5 consecutive losses, so we could hold that. We can hold that probably. So we can expect to see 5 losses before anything. 45. Okay. Backtesting again. It's a good rejection at the 5. On the 15. I think we can try longs once again. Like here. And see, we have these 2 gaps here. The calling burst. Bro, nah, I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna close the break even already here. What is it? Yeah. Break even. Even though it might hit full take profit later. Let's see. Need some good movement higher. Bro. Ugh. More 4 drawings. Let's go to the next trading day. Wait, what did I just see? Can see accumulation, manipulation. Obviously, New York should distribute. Okay, probably. But then we're still in this huge daily gap. I would like to see moves higher though. I'm checking the 1 hour wave inversed here. So we might displace into some man-filled discount gaps such as this low here. An inversion right here. I'd like to see some displacement lower. Bro. And I would like to short it, but then it's not giving me any opportunity to do so. This is crazy bullish. I think I'm gonna drop the idea of trying to long. Because you get a liquidity run, then it displays higher inversion. Should have tried longs earlier, but it looks like we're gonna have to wait. 15-minute gap retracement. Let's see. If we try long on this inversion, can you get like a Make this move here. Bro, right at the moment that I enter, I'm gonna stick to using 1 minute. End up inversing here. 15 is rejecting, so you might drive it all the way here. So 4-hour discount tap. Let's try longs. Wait, what trade will it be for the day? Second or third? Third, I believe. Oh, bro. I literally hate it when I'm not understanding where the market is going. If we displace through this high here and close above, through that black line, I might close a break. I might trail to break even. Let me start moving slowly by slowly before getting stuck down. Another day where we get to be crazy bullish but not getting anything from the markets. We have this low here, price is looking very close to it. It's also a previous daily though. 15 is a gap here. I'd like to see price inverse here, then we try shorts. Very crazy open. What's the high here? High here is 5,841. 5,841. So shorts are still at work. Wow, that's heavy. We still gotta try. It's a good 5-minute inverse though. I'm gonna retrace though. Okay, there's a fair value gap. Let's see if we can head all the way to these highs. Okay, this is break even. Bang, right there, 1136. Make back a couple of losses that we faced. Let's see. Would have been good to see here. Let's see what happens on the next day. New game, the new day. Leave this. So checking the daily, you can see that we're very close to all-time highs. So we have a good 1 hour gap here that's holding. It's also a 4 hour as well. Okay, let's see if we can get a retracement, then I can probably try some trades. Right, we have here. We have here. We can try out longs like this. 1.36. Don't get stopped out right away. We might hit take profit right away. You know, both sides of the coin can work. Another 5 minute gap retracement. Nah, it's actually an impression. It might start dropping. Maybe for the PO3 though. You know, only for the PO3 of the next 4 hour candle. Bro, I hate the way this thing is very simple, but then when it comes to the live markets, I literally sabotage myself. I mean, the fact that I have profit targets, and well, I'm not putting the blame on pro firms, but I really kill myself. For our beautiful bullish. Now, what would happen on the next candle? Probably like drop lower than continuation high, or just a small dip lower continuation high, because you can see that we already have an inversion at this PPR and the all-time highs were already met. Let's see if you can retrace into, like, I don't know, a POI. So checking in with ES, looks like we might create some SMTs soon. Okay, accumulation. I'm gonna manipulate at least. It looks like here we wouldn't take any of that trade for the day though. Let's go to the next trading day here. New York AM. Checking the new day. Price is beautifully bullish. 4 hour, nothing. Okay, 1 hour actually has a close POI here, so if you're gonna trace here or here, okay, so red open, looks like they, okay, we have to wait a little bit more here. Okay, this is the 1 hour. looks like this is not a good 15 minute. Might be a good 1 hour, but not a good 15 minute. If you continue going lower, then obviously it won't do anything. Any inversions? Let's see how big is this. Around 0.50. We have okay, this, let me remove this. This is a 1 hour gap retracement. That's what this shows here. This is a 5 minute high. Yeah, we are cooked. I've kept the 4 hour. Still closed somewhat bullish. The 1 hour closed before inside the gap. That's why I would like to wait. If we can break above this high here, then it would be good for a break even. If we happen to, because you can see price looks like it's gonna stop us out either way. Okay, looks like I'm gonna stick with shorts now. Literally this gap here, and we just had this. If we have like a 50 minute unfilled, okay, break even here. Oh, bro, this was brutal. This was personal, bro. Wait, I think the position is closed. Yeah, that's the good part. Bro, look at this 5 minute. Visually, look at this 5 minute. Four hour. Damn. 1 hour though. We're still remaining with a couple of minutes, so we might try it out. If this 5 minute inverses, then we can potentially try longs. Okay, good movement higher, bro. Price is stalling now. If we can break above this high, it will be great. There it goes. Break even now. Now I would wait for full take profit now. I think that will be the remaining part of the trade. Oh, bro. Even though it looks like we're gonna get stopped out in lunch. Have I suddenly lost my edge? Seriously, bro. All of a sudden, my edge falls apart. I think that's what I should call this series instead of backtesting series, and call it my edge falls apart. Okay, new trading day. Check the daily now. We're still bullish. 4 hour, not really great. 1 hour, very good closure higher. So luckily we might go here or here. I have a good inversion right here. Wait, we didn't have the 930 though. Okay, we're not gonna displace lower. I mean higher. So we might as well just go to this high resistance liquidity that's here. We have a couple unfilled gaps right here. You can see that we run that low right at open. Bro, I hate when the market behaves like this. We have this now. And see if we can go all the way to these highs or these highs here. We are so cooked, bro. Okay, let's try longs one more time. Now, where are the Asia and London draws? I'd like to see what this high is here though. Even though it looks like we were already displacing lower, which obviously means that oh, come on, bro. Look at this straight chop. Ugh. That's a beautifully bullish move here. Have a good run here. We're just pushing crazy chop. Very small inversion here. And obviously what this means, since we're in chop, I'll be targeting like low hanging fruits. If you can hold inside of this gap, then you can see some displacement higher. It will be great as well. Six, 7, 8, 9. Bro, not seeing anything. I think the trader is crushing. Okay, now we're starting to get some serious things shown out. Okay, liquidity run. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. Bro, look at this chop, bro. Look at this chop, literally nothing. I don't know, man. Nothing looks clear here. Well, except the fact that we might be holding in the 5 and the 15, and we are going lower. might have started to break out of the consolidation though. You can see what happened yesterday during the PM session. I don't know what happened, but it looks like price was extremely bullish. We pushed higher, dropped, left behind this beautiful fair value gap, and we have some LR here. So probably think we could have some displacement lower around these lows. It would be great. Oh my god, not even a pure retracement, bro. How's the 1 hour? We have this gap here and crazy SMTs. Break above here, then I can try longs. I'm gonna be aiming for a base hit, to be honest. No, I don't wanna get chopped up in these areas. Or is London and Asia? Look at this. I don't know, this premium gap will be okay. I'm gonna aim for big. Yeah. You can see how the base hits real good after having a couple of days of losing back to back. Let's go to the next trading day, New York AM, check the daily. If we can trace into this 50-minute will be good. Alright, there goes 9:30 open. Okay, you have a small inversion, but that is not that clear. I have to hit a base hit on this one as well. You know, decent slow trade 1-to-1. Get cooked right away. Should have moved to break even quickly. Crazy. What kind of chop was that? Nothing. New trading day. Good bullishness. I'm already trying to look for trades long. It's like we've already retraced, but another retracement lower wouldn't hurt. Oh, crazy liquidity run on this. High resistance, London high resistance. If we can inverse above here, I'll be good for some longs. There we go. Going long, my stop here, target all the way to this highs, base hit, take longs, get stopped out. Bro, I hate when the market delivers where I wanted it to go. When I was stopped out by a tick. trading day, bro. We are like at the ultimate lows we could ever be in this. I think this is the month that we're gonna close lower, like in loss. We have low here, 1 hour. There is a couple of gaps here. Have Asia lows, so we might try out some shorts as well. Sweet for open. There it goes. There it goes. I like to see price deliver like all the way to these lows, to be honest. Ugh, bro. What is going on? Okay, get a 15-minute inversion. One hour, nothing strong. 4 hour. Still looks bullish though. Okay. Bro, this 15-minute is not breaking through. And we are gonna get stopped out, obviously. Oop. Literally, what is going wrong here? I'd like to see her drop lower though. Okay, there goes. Bro, look at this drop. I don't think longs here will be great. We have this. I'd like to see this low here get run though. Okay, there it goes. Now for it to go higher, this will be the time, but then we've inversed the 1 hour, bro. So that obviously imposes me to wait for like some sort of retracement higher, which we don't get at all. No, this is a break. We're on a crazy losing streak. Another 15 retracement. Maybe try shorts again and see if we can run this LR. Break even once we can move for 1 hour to the negative. Okay, we're bullish. Gap here, PR, draw. 1 hour, gap here, reverse here, go higher. Okay, right at open. I believe this could be the Judas swing. this is where we're going with longs. I'm gonna stop somewhere here. See if you can reach all the way to these highs. Come on, but what am I doing wrong? I still don't get it. Five-minute inverse is here in the 4-hour gap. Let's see if you can deliver to this LR now. Break even. Like, bro, what? This is August 17th. I think 2017 was really rigged. Yeah, either way, that was all for today's backtesting session. Looks like we lost everything we had made. See you all next time. Stay blessed and peace.